I need to connect my Diwa to another network because I get moved it to another location. But how do I do that? Hi everyone and welcome to the world of Diwa. Today we'll be discussing this very question. So first you open your Diwa app and here you're on the start page. Just click on the Diwas and you can see all of your location. For example, I want to change the table 2 Diwa in Berlin. So I swipe left, I see 3 icons. Click on the one with the gray background. This is an edit button. And here, connect to Diwa. So now you see the instruction that you need to change the network. Briefly press the reset button on the bottom of your Diwa. And we will do just that. And shortly after that, a Bluetooth indicator will appear on the display and we connect to our Diwa. But for this to work, you have to also activate the Bluetooth on your phone. And here you can select one of the existing Wi-Fi networks. Now Diwa is connecting to the network. Now you can see that Diwa is successfully connected to your chosen network. So everything worked wonderfully. That's it for this video and see you in the next one.